Hi, it is the day 3 of the COVID lockdown, and the diabetic patients and the people, my clients on weight loss programs are in a panicky state, so as to maintain their diet during while being locked inside the house. They are soon going to, you all are soon going to run out of your salads and fruits. So everyone is asking what all to have so that we don't put on weight during this lockdown period. So what you can do is that before your lunch or your dinner, if you're running out of your salads, you can just have sprouts, but the sprouts has to the green gram, the moong sprouts or the chana sprouts, preferably the the green gram ones. And you have to grow them to up to 1.5-inch length or 2 inches. At least 2 or 3 leaves, green leaves should come out of them, so that you get more of the fiber. And then you can have this before your lunch and your dinner. And you can also have in a mid-morning snack or in your evening snack, but be prepared to just chew it more than before, because you are confined inside the house, activity is less, so you should not be bloated while having this. So always try to chew them for a longer period than before. For varieties, you can add roasted sesame seeds, flax seeds, roasted chana, and then peanuts, roasted peanuts, not fried ones. The ones that are fried in oil, try to avoid those. You can also mix crushed roasted papar, but it should not be fried. It is just to be roasted, and just crush over it instead of munching on the bhujiyas. So you can also add spices of your choice anytime into these sprouts. And next, also please do not try to skip the meals, even though you're confined inside the house. To maintain your metabolism, to maintain your blood sugar levels, please try to have your meals every 2.5 hours. And but at the same time, since there'll be input throughout the day, and you're restricted inside the house, you may not be able to go for you're in fact not able to walk outside. So try to have more of water, and also try to walk inside the house on and off every half an hour. Try to get up from your seat, from your sofa or wherever you're seated, and walk for some time, around 10 minutes or so. Do some stretching exercises, do spot jogging, and you can also keep walking throughout the house. If you are in a in builder floors, then you can just go up and down the staircase in your houses. And after that, the other point is that try to have food in a smaller plate, reduce the size of the rotis, reduce the portion of the rice, and try to add flaxseeds powder or dhania, or any dried leaves like the kasuri methi into your rotis, so that you get to have more of fiber during your meals. And also, when you have the dal, try to have more of the dals that have peels. The chilka wala moong ke dal, not the dhuli moong ke dal, it's a chilka wala with the peels, or the urad dal with the peels, or the whole dals. You can have those, but at the daytime. And try to avoid at night, because when you add on the dal along with the rotis or rice at night, you'll be ending up in eating a lot of sugars, carbs at night. So we surely don't want that. And try to finish off dinner a little bit early, by around say 8:30. And after you have the dinner, at least after 1.5 hours post dinner, try to walk inside the house itself for at least 15 minutes. So in 1.5 hours, the digestion will be complete. The absorption will take place. When you will walk inside the house, the sugar that is being released from the food will be absorbed by your body. So your blood sugar will not increase for the diabetic patients, and also for those in weight loss program, your weight will not increase the following day. Also, if you are an eggetarian, keep stock of eggs, and you can order the eggs, or just go to the grocery stores and try to get them. Try to have egg whites at each meal, at least 1 or 2 egg whites. This will help in reducing the sugar spikes that takes place in the diabetic patients. And then every half an hour, try to drink to at least 200 ml of water. every half an hour, and whenever you drink it, please sit and drink it sip by sip. It is hot, and you may not feel thirsty, but even if you're not thirsty, you are being completely on and off being dehydrated. So keep drinking water on and off, sip by sip. And also be careful while getting up from the couches, or doing any other kind of strenuous activities, because you're mostly in a sedentary state, and because of dehydration, you may just have a sprain, or just pull your muscles, and that'll be a little bit painful. And now we don't have doctors around us, we can't go anywhere. So take care that your muscles are hydrated well, and you don't pull your muscles should not break at this time. And every morning, as those who are used to going to morning walk, always try to walk in the morning itself, so that you don't cease from this good habit of walking in the morning. So you can just follow the same routine that is there in the morning, and then you can walk inside the house itself, do some stretching exercises. For people who are immovable, if they are having pain in the joints, please help them please teach them some exercises of upper body and the limbs, lower limbs, in the sitting position, in what way you can do them. So if you want to know certain exercises that can be done inside the house itself, you can just comment on after having a watch on this video. I'll just send you the exercises. I'll just post them soon after you comment, after watching this video. If you have more comments, then please do ask in the comment section, and then I'll help you accordingly. Thank you.